Hello friends, in this video you will learn about iframes and paths in HTML. Here is the HTML file to get the information about iframes and paths. See this body part. In this first we discuss about iframes. Iframe in HTML. See this. What is the use of iframe? Iframes used to get the web pages, other web pages in the current web page like this, and that web page must and should be in the same folder, like classes and IDs.html is in the same folder as this HTML file. See, this is the tag, iframe tag to create the iframe. This is the style using height 505 pixel, width 300 pixel. Title, it shows when iframe clicking iframe like this. This is the iframe. And second one is file paths in HTML. Normally, file is in the current folder, then just use like this reference source park.jpg. Nothing but this is in the current folder, like which folder this page HTML is there, that folder this park.jpg is there. Then second way, file path, images, because this images is in the current folder. In this images folder, park.jpg file is there. So this park in images folder. Images folder is in current folder. Comes to the third file path. This is the root of current web, nothing but current page. This page is created in E drive. E drive is the root of this all files. In the E drive, beginning this images folder is there. In that images folder, park.jpg file is there. So this images folder in the root. So this slash says to access the root of current web. Comes to the last file path. In this we are using dot dot slash, because this says dot dot is assume this images folder in the A folder, because current folder is A folder. In the A folder images folder is there. A folder is in the B folder. B folder is the previous of the or level up, one level up folder is B folder. In the B folder images folder is there. In the park.jpg file is there. When we are accessing like that, because in B folder is there, in the B folder A folder is there, in the A folder this HTML file is there. So to access the park.jpg is in the B folder, because this is the way of accessing previous folder file with dot dot slash. Say the output of this file, the park like this. This is the park file, park.jpg. See this output on web page. This is the classes and IDs.html file. Nothing but web page, one of the web page. Accessing with this in this web page with iframe. With pixel, height is 505, width is 300 pixel. See, this is the images, park images. This is accessed with current folder. This is second file is accessed from images folder. This is accessed from the root folder. In the root folder, in the images folder, park.jpg file is there. This is the previous folder. Nothing but one level up folder. This is the way of using iframes and file paths in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.